My dream car is a semi-truck. If you're wondering why, it's because I'm scared of them, passing by them, even when I'm not the one driving. And especially when you have to pass two of them at the same time. If you don't feel the same, then I'm worried about you. I know the car to semi ratio is a little off, but this is how it makes me feel. In order to not feel that way, I need to be one of them. I even have a vision board for it, next to a Kids' Choice Award, and my dream house, which is a hotel. Which I'm totally okay if none of these happen, because I'm already living my biggest dream, and just grateful to be alive. I think the most realistic is the semi-truck. Comment if you agree. Issue: I need to get a certain license in order to drive it. And to do that, I need to go to school, pass those tests, train with another truck driver, and pass literally the most difficult driving test to ever exist. So sadly, I don't know if this will be possible, but if one person subscribes, I will try